S.S. Naganand, who is the advocate for the Bankers Consortium, now also joins in. But let's take it across to Arun Nayal. And Arun, you spoke about some of the key takeaways, but okay, let's listen in to Arun Nayal in conversation with S.S. Naganand.
Thank you for talking to ET now, sir. So what happened in the hearing, sir?
The court wanted to know whether the banks have considered the offer made by Mr. Mallya, and we submitted to the court that the banks have examined it and found that there are a number of problems with it and we cannot accept it. After that was communicated, Mr. Mallya sent one more revised or modified offer, the 6th, and that was also examined, and the banks have conveyed that even the revised or modified offer is not acceptable. The court said, what next? So we submitted to the court that it's important that he discloses all his assets and then comes for a negotiation. We are still open to talk with him. We have no problem because we need to realize the money. So taking note of that, the court has made an order that he will disclose all his assets, including those held in his name, family members, etc., by the 21st of April. Right. And on the 26th of April, the court is now set it down for further hearing. And court has also made it clear that on the next date of hearing, Mr. Mallya's lawyer should inform the court as to when he would be available to appear before the Supreme Court.
So since day one, you've been maintaining that he has to appear before the banks to have this settlement process going on. So what has the court said on that?
The court has taken note of that submission, and the court has recorded the submission of Mr. Mallya's lawyer that he will be making a submission to court on the next date of hearing on 26th April as to when his client would be able to appear in person before the court.
Okay. So is there an amount that the banks are looking to recover, is some sort of principal or the interest, or they are looking for the entire amount to be recovered from him and his airlines?
No, the total amount that is due is, I think, of the order of about 10,000 crores. The original application filed by this consortium is for about 6,900 and odd crores. Exact amounts have really got to be discussed. He is saying that he will pay part of it. What is the bank willing to accept? Those are matters of detail.
One more thing, so one final question. How important is his personal appearance in the court and his the disclosure of his assets, all his assets?
No, his appearance would only facilitate the discussion, dialogue and resolution of the problem. That's what the court also appreciated. In a matter like this, if his presence is there, you will be able to sit and discuss it. And court may want to have a word with him and speak to him when he appears in court. That's the reason. It's important that he's there.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for talking to ET Now, sir.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.